type of dosa. This is one type of dosa. Again, I will prepare one different type. Two types I will prepare. This is one is called uttapam because this is a bit
Thick.
thick one.
Thicker,
It's
yeah.
called, and we put some oil, some oil.
Okay.
Just oil, little bit oil is here. So that what kind of
Minapapa.
we call it minapam, but this is called in English.
In English, it's called lentils. White lentils.
So you put this.
So this is the almond and peanut chutney with no chilies for you.
Okay.
Super healthy. And coconut water. So this is
And that is exactly what?
idli.
That is made of
That's made of rice. I told you rice cakes yesterday.
rice cake.
Banana.
Oh, banana.
That's the banana from the God's place. Oh my God, Jess, you're eating with your hand like us.
I have to.
Wow.
I love it.
Say hi, Shanta.
Be an Indian. Be an Indian.
Do you like pineapple? So this is called Char Minar.
How?
Char Minar. Char is
There's a card.
okay. Char means four.
Okay.
Four pillars. Minar is pillars. So it's got four pillars there.
Yeah. Charminar.
Char Minar.
So we were just walking, and there was this guy selling bags, right?
Bags. And he goes like, buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one. Duh. Like, wow, I didn't know that.
And he said, let's go buy one, get one. I'm just showing you, this is called chunni, dupatta.
This is so good.
Yeah?
It's like actual coconut water. Yeah.
You like it? Oh my God, welcome to India again.
Don't kill me for this plastic straw, please. I'm talking about sustainability and stuff, and then I have the plastic straw.
You don't have to.
But then you can't drink it just
you
like
can
that.
go like
so
this. It's up to you.
a lot of people drink it like get the Indian donuts.
Nice. And these are different.
This is sambar. This is I think this is tomato chutney
Either tomato or ginger.
or ginger chutney, and this is the this is very similar to the chutney you had in the morning.
So I
my
can eat that
house.
or
You could just put a drop if you like.
Are you recording?
Just a drop.
I'm recording everything.
I need to put the whole thing in my How?
That's it.
Oh, how do you like it? What's your reaction to it?
It's different. I don't know what it is.
Can you guess anything?
Vegetables.
Vegetables?
What is that
So
again?
this is called Bhel Puri. This is puffed rice. And then these are the crisps that you just ate in the sev puri. And this is the meeta chutney. This is the sweet chutney. And again, these are the chickpea crisps on top of that with peanuts and onions and coriander and tomatoes. And that's about it. And a little bit of different chutney.